All right, guys, welcome back. I have another craft that we were working on today, so I just wanted you to see what we're doing. We are going to be making a parrot. We're doing the pirate theme for another week or two. So this week we're doing a parrot. Let's get started. We got our cup, turn it upside down. This will be our beak. Got a little decoration for the coloring, and then some feathers, and lastly 2 eyeballs. So first we'll get started on our decorating. This is fairly simple. We're going to take a touch of glue, put on the cup, and then we're going to attach the string to it, and then we will wrap the string around. This is just to give it a little color, that's all, nothing major. Get this in there a little more here. Alright, so we got a little touch of color in there. Next, we've got 5 feathers. Some of you might have 1 or more, some of you might have 4. It just depends on what you get. Most people have 5. So we're going to do 2 feathers on each side and then 1 feather on the top. So if you want, find the happy medium here in the middle. Put a dot right above the lines, and then I'm gonna put, you can do this one at a time. Since I'm using hot glue, it'll be a little easier for me to do 2 at a time. Maybe. Let's do orange. All right. All right. One side down. We're gonna do it on the other side, exact opposite if you can. Give it a little time. If you guys are using regular glue, you're gonna have to hold it on for about 30 to 45 seconds, maybe a little longer. Give it time to dry. All right. Then we're gonna put a little dab on the top. Gonna be our icing on the cake right there. Our big feather for the top of his head. All right. So far, that's what we got going on. Next, we're gonna put the 2 eyeballs on. Nice thing about hot glue, it dries quickly. All right, last for our beak, we're going to take this and we are going to fold it over a little. give it kind of a little mouth. If you want to make it even, you can take a pair of scissors, chop off the excess, get a nice little perfect triangle there, and then I'm going to put a dab on there, dab on the cup, and then I'm going to take my little piece of paper and there you got your nice little parrot. I hope you guys enjoy, and until we see you next time, have a good day.